I'll be right there. Just gotta download something real quick. What is that noise? I asked you to download one thing. It sounds like an air fryer on 420. What did I download? DMT? What the hell is this? This thing needs a damn sleep apnea mask. What am I on a Zoom call with a 747? This thing sounds like a pug going up the stairs. What is happening?
What's up? It's Wednesday. I just got off work. We're leaving in like 3 hours to go somewhere very special. I haven't packed yet, so I'll have to do that very quickly. Come on this journey and you'll see it's pretty dope. Welcome to sunny California. That was a long fucking flight in the middle of the night, so we're all groggy and shit.
Palm trees are actually cell towers. Look at that.
Are you serious?
Yeah, look at it. There's
oh, fuck, you're alright. What the fuck, America? You tricked us. You got Paul with us now?
Ooh, 46!
So the parade for Long Beach is about to start pretty soon. I think Paul's gonna try to fanboy and give everybody maple syrup.
Oh fuck yeah! I got 6 things of maple syrup in my bag. We got to go up to call Mohan and actually see if he talks to Josh or if it's a fanboy account. Mark got himself a scooter. I tried to get a scooter and it said under maintenance. Oh, there is the baller.
What's your plan? What's your plan?
Always keep that thing on me, you know, pull it out of the backpack.
What's your plan?
Got that stuff, you know.
Lord
Canada
Jesus.
True maple syrup,
Lord
boys.
Jesus.
Some of these guys probably never had real Canadian maple syrup before, so I might as well give them some real maple syrup, courtesy of 881 Crew. Yeah, James Deane came from Ireland, man, but I gotta try and get to him. He's like the hot driver here right now.
Rome already went to Canada.
Rome was just in Alberta. Chelsea was just in BC.
Well, Jeff Jones over there if we want to try him.
Let's go for Jeff.
On the stress level from 1 to 10, I'll stress, sorry.
I mean, I'm pretty stressed. I got this idea from Kyle Williams, though.
Oh, really?
Well, yeah.
God damn it. Where is it all the good idea coming from, Kyle?
Every time Kyle goes to the States, like when he was like at TX2K and stuff at like 1320, he brings everyone maple syrup. So that's where the idea came from.
Why can't we have like original content for once?
Because we're dumb. He turns me down. That's embarrassing. I'm just like,
It's even better.
I brought you some maple syrup all the way from Canada. This is actually maple
Yeah,
syrup.
yeah, it is.
I brought this all the way from Canada today. Damn. I was like, is this a shot? Is this no, that is 100% maple syrup. I would love to give one to Dylan Hughes too. I talked to Dylan Hughes last year when I was here. He's tight as fuck. This is my favorite car.
Is it?
Oh man, I love it. 346 wagon with a Mercedes turbo. I
thought for sure this was whiskey.
Normal maple syrup.
On my pancake?
Hey, put that on your pancake?
We're Canadians. We put it on burgers, fries, whatever. Right?
You guys are wild.
We got two down. We got 4 more maple syrups to go. Our current plan of attack's working pretty good. Just walking up and handing it to them and saying, this is maple syrup from Canada. Normally that disappoints them a little because they think it's whiskey. Dylan asked how to use it too after I told him it was syrup. So do I shoot it? I was like, no, it's maple syrup, bro. 100% Canadian maple syrup.
It's too tall.
Get a paper pack. Way taller than me. One pack down, we got 1 more pack of maple syrup. I definitely want to try and get LZ and James Deane. Try and get through the wave of people. Give James Deane maple syrup. I brought you some 100% Canadian maple syrup.
Good. Is that what it is?
Maple syrup.
Okay.
Should I add some peppers on that? Just to like, throw everybody off, just get up there and just
Yo,
Jesus?
Move Adam and ask Mark for his autograph. What's your plan?
Same as all the other ones. Awkwardly walk up, be terrified to speak, and then hand them maple syrup. I picked this up in Canada this morning before I left. Maple syrup. I love maple syrup. Well, it's straight from the motherland itself. Oh, we have 1 more bottle.
Forgot to say tag. Tag
We have 1 more bottle. We're 5 for 5. I'm gonna do the normal plan of attack.
What's up, dude? Good, man. How you doing?
Good. Brought this all the way from Canada.
Dang, some maple syrup.
Pure maple syrup all the way from Canada.
All right.
But one thing, you gotta share that with Chelsea. Mission successful.
The contrast is shit.
Mission successful. $80 worth of maple syrup distributed.
Was it actually 80
It
bucks?
was $80.
Fuck's sakes, okay.
$80 worth of maple syrup distributed to drivers. And I feel good. Next year we're gonna bring a crate of 881 Crew maple syrup. That was legitness.